Have you read this new book, Carrie the Canary's Great Arc Adventure? It tells the story of Carrie, a bright yellow canary who is injured and frightened after a terrible storm. She's taken aboard Noah's Ark, where gentle Naoma helps her heal and slowly regain her confidence. But Carrie's journey is not just about fixing her wing. She must also overcome self-doubt and the feeling that she does not belong. With the support of Cody the Canary and other kind animals, she learns powerful lessons on friendship, acceptance, and finding her place. This heartwarming story teaches kids about kindness and confidence. It also includes fun animal facts focused on the letter C and coloring pages to make learning enjoyable. So, if you're looking for a children's book that blends love and learning, this is the perfect book.